Hello everyone, and welcome to Do-It-Yourself Ideas. Today's project involves showing you how to draw a whale. This whale is blowing water from the top, so I'm going to show you how to draw this beautiful whale, and I'm going to show you what you need and how to do it now. To draw a whale, we're going to need a blank piece of paper. We're also going to need a pencil, preferably with an eraser, so we can erase in case we make a mistake. We need a black marker, a blue marker, and I have here a color pencil in blue in case that I want to paint my whale. So I'm gonna just leave it here and see. I don't know if I'm gonna use it or not, but we'll see. So let's get started. First I'm gonna put the blank piece of paper horizontally, and I'm gonna start by drawing a rectangle. The edges of the rectangle have to be a little bit rounded. And it doesn't matter if it's not perfect. Then I'm going to draw the flipper. Then I'm going to draw the mouth, and it's going to be a very big mouth. And we're also going to draw an eye. Now I'm gonna draw a smaller fin, and of course I'm gonna draw a smiley face, because it's a happy whale. And this one is gonna be a smaller flipper. And here is our finished whale in pencil. So I'm gonna grab the black marker and I'm gonna mark it in black so it looks better. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And now I can start erasing all the pencil marks with the eraser. I'm gonna erase some more here, and then I'm gonna grab the blue color and I'm gonna decorate the whale and give it some color. Now I have erased all the pencil marks, so I'm gonna grab the blue marker and start adding some color on the water that the whale is blowing. And here it is, our finished whale. This is a really cool drawing, and you can cut it and paste it on a birthday card. You can also make a doll out of this, or you can leave it in the paper and decorate it however you want. Maybe you want to color it with the rainbow colors. That would be super cool. Thank you for watching Do-It-Yourself Ideas. I hope you liked this video. If you would like to watch more, please visit my channel and subscribe for free, and be the first one to know when new videos are posted. Share this video with your friends, and see you next time!